Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Sush Life. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we'll be talking about face serums and how you can use them in your daily lives. Face serums are light moisturizers which have concentrated active ingredients. They hydrate our skin better than the normal moisturizing creams that we can find. So this is a good option that we can use these days. Face serums can also give you that smoother, glowy look, and that too you can see these results very quickly. So these are a must-try option. They can make your skin look firmer, they can reduce your pores, and also they can give you that glowy texture. If you're having dry skin, then you can also use this serum as a base, and then on top of that you can apply the moisturizer. So if you have oily skin like mine, then this product is a boon for us. The serum alone is enough for oily skin, but in winters you may need to apply extra moisturizer. I have this product from Good Vibes. This is called the Rosehip Radiance Glow Face Serum. This product contains sesame oil, almond oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil and rosehip oil. So these are all constituents of all natural ingredients. So this is a very light serum. So if you can just apply on the skin and just rub it across nicely, it blends nicely and it gives you that glow. You can see that. I found it from a website called Purple. So this is a good find, and definitely you can try it out. So next is we will talk about the anti-aging. If you are looking to buy a product for having anti-aging properties, then you should try the hyaluronic acid ingredient with the face serum. This will help reduce your fine lines, wrinkles, and this will give you quick results. So for this, the best product that we have as of now is the L'Oreal Revitalift. This is what is my find. I've already used more than half of the product, and I could see good results with this. This gives good radiance to the face, nice glow. You can find nice glow at night after your cleansing routine. You can just apply this, and then morning you can find yourself glowy. So you can just try out this one. It is quite expensive, but it will give you good results. So you can try this one. Another find from Purple called NYB. This is called NYB Skinfident Magical as Times Square Face Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. I have used this product and I find it quite well blending. This doesn't have that heaviness, it just blends very easily. Helps reduce those crow's feet and the wrinkles that you have around your mouth. So it really it helps with that. So if you are interested in this, then this is also a good product. If you are looking for this product which helps with dark marks and pigmentation, then a product with vitamin C is the best option. So I have another serum from the same brand, NYB. This is also a new find. So it's called Glowing as Broadway Clean Face Serum with Vitamin C and Vitamin B3. So I like the consistency of this one, but I could find, it gets little, a little bit of that glycerin kind of an after effect. So it will moisturize your skin well, but you have to rub it well, and you have to make sure that your skin absorbs all of it. So this will take some effort to blend. This one is good as well, so you can try this as well. Now when it comes to natural product, there is another brand called Mamaearth. So Mamaearth brand has become like the most trending one right now. Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum. This is called with niacinamide and ginger extracts for acne marks and scars. So if you are having acne marks and scars, this is the best serum that you can find. This blends very easily, and I could see results with this. I have been using it's almost this bottle is almost empty, so I have been using it like for almost 15 days now, and I could see some great results with this. Only thing with these L'Oreal and Mamaearth is the cost. They are a little bit expensive, but they are worth the spend. Another thing, when you try any natural product, so make sure you do a patch test on your hand or your wrist, so that on your delicate part of your hand. So make sure that it doesn't cause any allergies, because natural products sometimes tend to cause some allergies. That's what is a disclaimer also in the. So what are the advantages that we can find of face serum? So they hydrate our skin very quickly. Since these products are having concentration of the ingredients, just the oils of the ingredients, so the skin absorbs this faster rather than the cream based ones, wherein the cream itself takes time to blend, and it might happen that the creams itself clog your pores and skin irritation or sensitive skin. If you are having sensitive skin, then you should definitely try this serums. So it helps with the red spots, it helps with the itchiness. So this really helps a lot. The brands are having natural based ingredients, so you can definitely try them out. For sensitive skin, you can go for something which has ingredients like almond oil or shea butter, or you can go for vitamin E. So these kind of ingredients will definitely help with sensitive skin. Also, as I said that it's a boon for people having oily skin. So it reduces oil formation in our pores, and it reduces the breakouts as well. So if you're looking for reducing your breakouts and reducing oil formation, then you can try these serums having ingredients like tea tree oil or salicylic acid. So these are perfect for problematic skin. So for oily skin, they reduce the residue and they make it very easy for absorption, and they also shrink the pores, which reduces the oil formation. So you can use products with vitamin C that will help reduce the whiteheads and blackheads as well. So if you have this problem, then you can definitely try a serum having vitamin C. Other than blemishes, you should definitely go for something which has salicylic acid and also niacinamide. So the one in Mamaearth is really good. So if you are having wrinkles or the smile marks or crow's feet, so these products which have hyaluronic acid work the best for your skin. Now, how we can use these face serums? We can use the face serums twice a day. So in the morning, post your cleansing routine, make sure that you use this product before you apply anything, like before your sunscreen, before your makeup, before you do anything. So this should be the first base that you apply. And also you can use this at night, so before your bedtime, after all your makeup is off and your cleansing routine is completed. So make sure you use it at that time for better results. So use these serums and you can find yourself with glowy and perfect skin. I hope I have given you some information and some introduction of what are face serums, and that's all from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.